What's the meaning of brush? Brush. Brush.
Brush. Brush. The word brush can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning of the word refers to a tool made of bristles or other fibers that is used for cleaning, painting, or grooming. When used for cleaning, a brush can be used to remove dirt, dust, or other unwanted particles from various surfaces. In painting, a brush can be used to apply paint or other materials to a canvas or other surface. When used for grooming, a brush can be used to style or remove tangles from hair or fur. Overall, the result of using a brush is a cleaner, more polished, or more aesthetically pleasing result.